Remember that Ravi's dad bring in a real shark?
Yeah.
But he did not try to eat me.
Because why?
It was doing that.
It was doing dead?
Mm-hmm.
So dead sharks can't eat you, right?
Mm-mm.
What was the other thing?
Ravi's dad brings in a leprechaun in that eats crickets, and when they go someplace and when they see a lizard, the lizard says, "Hi, I'm a lizard." And the other lizard says, "Hi, I'm a lizard," with their tail.
Oh, but what? Are you sure he brought in a leprechaun that eats crickets?
I do not.
Do you know you said leprechaun?
Ravi's dad did.
But what was it really?
It was really, really not a leprechaun. It was a leper.
A leper?
Mm-hmm.
Or a lizard?
Lizard.
Yeah. All right, you ready to go see some animals?